So Brandon's already going through his classes that he's going to be teaching, and you got the two Saturday classes. The
Yeah,
the effective, what is it? The troubleshooting one with the domestic charging systems.
that's correct.
Tell us a little bit about what they're going to learn in that class and what's it geared.
Well, as you know, domestic charging systems are all computer controlled these days. So we're going to be working on some strategies for understanding how the computer operates and controls the alternator. Um, we'll leverage that for diagnostics. We'll pay attention to things like how the charging system might have a fail-safe mode in the event that it loses communication, what its behaviors are going to be. We'll leverage using the scan tool for some of our diagnostics, and of course, there's going to be some pretty good oscilloscope usage. And that just plays right into where most technicians really need to be today. Having the ability to use an oscilloscope. Uh, some of the tricks that I employ is I get pigtail connectors so I can actually make jumpers to go in between the alternator and the rest of the vehicle, so I can do some not only testing, but commands. And while this class doesn't specifically get into doing that, I have the ability, of course, to create my own commands and force the alternator to charge, even if the computer would not be able to tell it what to do. So there's some things like that that I'll actually be touching on that kind of go beyond the scope of the regular class.
Well, that's good. That's good.